Let's go hammer curl. 1, singles, 2, control the weight, 3. Hey there guys, welcome to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Got a quick intro, got 20 seconds before we get started. Today we're doing arms. However, we're gonna start with a little bit of a warm up. 1 minute exercise intervals on 30-second rest. Then 8 sets of arms, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Finishing up with a little bit of core, 1 minute once again with 30 seconds rest. Having said all that guys, we're getting started in 5 seconds. 1 minute warm up for this first exercise. 5 squats, the 5th one being a low jump squat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a little jump and back to 1, 2, 3, 4. Just warm it up a little bit, getting the heart rate moving. 1, 2. If you can't jump, by all means, don't jump. 3, 4, and 5, and keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep it up. A little more than 20 seconds left. 3, 4, 5, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of different exercises there, a lot of variations, but mostly we're going to concentrate on the guns today. 4, and jump. 1, 2, 3, finish it off. 4, give me a jump, and boom, I'm done. All right, guys, now I can commence with the intro. My name is Paul. Welcome to Fit After 50. All the workouts happen right here in this basement. If you click on this video, welcome. Let's get some arms going. After 2 more minutes of warming up, I'm going to be using 25-pound dumbbells for this. Hopefully, I can make it through this entire workout. However, right now, we're moving on to warm-up exercise number 2. The old true and try jumping jack. 1 minute, ready? And let's go. Nice and easy. No need to push it too much. I turned the microphone on. I did. Have to check that out in the mirror. Otherwise, you have to start over. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Keep it up. Jump with me. This is not meant to be a light workout or a cardio workout, but I like warming up a little bit, getting the blood pumping. 30 seconds left. Stay here. Stay with me. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. 20 seconds. 15. Keep it up, keep jumping. If you gotta walk it out a little bit, walk it out a little bit. Just get it moving. 5 seconds left, a few more jumps. 3, 2, 1, and relax for 30 seconds. All right, we got one more little warm-up exercise. Yes, I know we're not warming up the biceps. We're just getting the heart rate moving. So we're gonna go curtsy lunges. We haven't done these in a while. The lunge backwards, and you cross your legs as you step back. Nice and easy, 1 minute. Then we take another 30-second break before we start working on the biceps. That's all we work on. It's not actually arms, it's just biceps today. All right, 3, 2, 1. Find your balance. Nice and easy, lunge back. Get a good stretch. There you go. No rush. No weight. No rush. Keep it up. This entire workout is about 15 minutes long today. "25 seconds left. Stay right here. 15. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, last one, and here we go. All right, now we're starting with the biceps. So we have 8 different exercises, they're all kind of similar. They all involve elbow flexion, so we work our biceps. We have 8 different exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, so almost HIIT style. I do not want you to do them as fast as you can, however, I want you to keep the weight under control. I'm going to use 25s, at least for now. I feel ambitious, and then so how we go from there. Double curl, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Oh, bones are creaking this morning. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and weights down. That's one set down. I think I'm gonna start a new playlist with these. So we're gonna do each individual body part with a little bit of a twist, a little bit of cardio, a little bit of core worked in. So this might be video number 1, so there's actually no playlist yet. Unless I have one, I don't think I do. Anyway, exercise number 2, very similar, double hammer curl. So stay right here. Going to try, like I said, to survive with the same weights throughout the entire workout. Double hammer curl, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push it. I am. Come on. 3, 2, 1, last one. And here we go. All right, this is gonna be the tough one. My incredibly weak forearms. However, we are going to try to go for the double reverse curl. 15 seconds, I gotta shake those suckers out and get ready. Do the best that we can. I always say my workouts are your workouts, so if you see me struggle, I am really struggling. I love working out with you guys, not just filming a video. So let's go. Keep it up. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, last one, and the weight's down. All right, surviving, getting good pump going. All right, we had double reverse curl. Now I'm going to white curl. So like that, twist those arms out and go nice and wide. It's gonna be a little more difficult. Do the best that you can. If you have to lower the weight, or you have to just do a reverse curl. If you have elbow issues of any sort, do not hurt yourself. There we go. 3, 2, 1, and a white curl. Stay with me. 5 seconds. Let's do one more. And one. All right. I believe that does it for the double curls. Now we'll move it to single curl, so life will be a little bit easier on the arm front. All right. That was the double white curl. Now we're doing cross curls. So across your body. 1, 2, 1, 2. 30 seconds. Shake it out. I got a pretty good pump. Whew. Like I said, the weights are pretty heavy, so each set is pretty challenging. I'm not just flinging them around, I'm actually trying to gain strength and muscle. 2, 1, let's go. Across the body. 1. Look straight at me. Chest out. Just the bicep. 10 seconds, keep it up. 2, 1, and weights down. All right, now we're going to singles. Single regular curl with a twist, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep it up, 20 seconds left, shake him out. I am sticking the same weight. These last few reps, trust me, they are not fun. But then again, they are because we're working hard, right? All right, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, grab the weights and give me singles, ready? Control that weight at all times. You guys are looking good. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and weights down. 2 more exercises, another single coming up, and we got a hammer curl. So we went from doubles to singles, which are a little bit easier. All right, 20 seconds. Let's shake it out. Like I said, 2 more sets. And then we're gonna finish with some core because there wouldn't be a day at Fit After 50 if we didn't do any core. So why not? All right, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, and we get going. We've been at this for 10 minutes. We have just a little over 4 minutes of working out left. Ready? Let's go hammer curl. 1, singles. 2, control the weight. 3, 4, come on, I don't know why I'm counting. We're doing this for 30 seconds. Stay with me, however. Let's go. Hammer up, all the way, control. Don't drop that weight. Fight it. We only have 1 more set of exercises left after this. 3, 2, 1, last one. All right, weights down. 1 exercise left, static curl. So for 15 seconds, you're gonna hold one weight here, you're gonna curl the other arm. At 15 seconds, you're gonna switch arms. Hold this arm, and switch and curl the other arm. I'll call it out, don't worry about staring at the clock, just listen to me. All right, got 10 seconds left. Last exercise, we got this, 5 seconds. Let's grab those weights, curl both of them up, and just give me 1 curl on one side. Hold it. Hold this one and curl the other one. Switch it up. 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1, last one. Weights down. All right, that does it for the bicep portion. If you guys are not feeling a good pump, you know what? You might have to up the weight a little bit next time. I know I'm feeling a good pump. All right, we have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes of abs on 30 seconds breaks. First set of exercises is mountain climbers. I'm still trying to catch my breath. That's why I'm talking like a robot. Anyway, mountain climbers, 1 minute, guys, in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. A little bit of cardio, a little bit of core, all in one exercise. Stay locked in. Keep moving. "30 seconds left, keep it up. "15, stay here. "3, 2, 1, and relax." All right. Whew. 1 exercise left and we're done. We're going leg raises, so you might as well stay on the ground. Gonna keep those feet elevated at all times if you can. Gonna point them out, then you're gonna point them up towards the ceiling, the roof, the sky, the tree, up, in other words. All right, we get going in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, support your lower back. Out and up, out and up, out. There you go, now we got it. And up. Keep it up. 30 seconds left. $15, a little less, now it's 15. Keep it up, single digits, stay here. 3, 2, 1, let's do one more. Woo. All right, welcome back guys. That was it, that was our biceps workout. However, we threw in a little bit of cardio, which included a bit of legs. We threw in a little bit of core, made us feel good. Hopefully got a good pump going on the biceps. And that was our wonderful workout for today. Anyway, I'm kind of blabbering. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I take you through every workout, every Monday and every Thursday. For about 4.5 years now, we have not missed an upload, so we've been consistent. So thank you for being here with me. If you enjoy this workout, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a big old like, leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.